morning. I am Sherman Lako, lecturer Government Degree College Kanyaru. I am lecturer in Zoology. Today I would like to teach my students from the class first year, subject Zoology, chapter number 12. My topic is human digestive system. In this topic we will discuss about the definition of the digestion, gastrointestinal tract or gut of the human. The gut of human consists of mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach. There are three parts of stomach, three regions of the stomach: cardiac, fundus, pyloric. Then we have a small intestine. Following are the parts of the small intestine: duodenum, jejunum, ileum. Then we have large intestine. Following are the parts of the large intestine: number 1 cecum, number 2 colon, number 3 rectum, number 4 anus. This is the diagram I have drawn. Number 1, here is pharynx, then we have esophagus, then we have stomach, then we have small intestine. I have write down the regions of the small intestine, names of the regions of the small intestine. You can watch or you can see in the diagram. Now first of all we are going to start the definition of the digestion. Now digestion, what is the definition of digestion? Simply digestion means to break down of the large molecules into small molecules is called digestion. As you know that human or man is a heterotrophic organism. It is an ingestive heterotrophic organism. So the digestion is extracellular. Is in the human, the digestion is extracellular. It takes place. It starts from the mouth, and then it starts begins in the stomach, then in the small intestine. The complete digestion takes place in the small intestine. Now, first of all, digestion in the mouth. First of all, digestion in mouth. Digestion in mouth. Mouth is first part or first opening. It has a cavity that is called buccal cavity. In this there are salivary glands. There are 6 salivary glands. There are 3 pairs of salivary glands. How many salivary glands? There are 3 pairs of salivary glands. In buccal cavity of the man. They produce saliva. Then we have enzyme. Saliva contains enzyme that is called amylase. Amylase is an enzyme which digests carbohydrates. Means first carbohydrates are digested. First the breakdown of the carbohydrate takes place in the mouth with the help of enzyme that is called amylase. Then we have the digestion of number 1. Then we have the digestion in stomach. First of all, when we eat some type of food, when it enters into our mouth, it goes towards the pharynx. Pharynx is a region. Then the food passes towards the esophagus. Esophagus is a tube. It goes or it enters into the stomach. Stomach has 3 regions. First region of the stomach is called first region of stomach is called first region of stomach is called cardiac region. The main important region of the stomach is fundus. Then the second region of the stomach is fundus. Fundus produces gastric juices. Gastric juice contains HCl. It also contains pepsin, an enzyme which digests proteins. Pepsin is secreted in the form of the pepsinogen. Then it is converted into pepsin with the help of the HCl. Gastric juice is secreted from this region. This region is called fundus region. Here the proteins are digested in the stomach, and now the food which is digested here, the food is called chyme. Now chyme passes into small intestine. Now we have digestion in the small intestine. Digestion in small intestine. Digestion in small intestine. Digestion in small intestine. The first part of small intestine is called duodenum. This is the first part of the small intestine. It receives food that was digested in the small intestine, that was not completely digested, but the chyme enters into the duodenum. Duodenum receives two types of juices. Number one, first part is called duodenum. Duodenum receives two juices. First juice is called bile juice, that comes from the liver. Then pancreatic juice. Pancreas, there is a structure, there is an organ which is leaf-like structure that helps in digestion. Pancreas is exocrine as well as endocrine. How it is exocrine? Because it secretes pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice contains some enzymes such as trypsin, chymotrypsin, amylase, lipase. Pancreatic juice contains which type of enzymes? Following enzymes. Trypsin, chymotrypsin, amylase and lipase. Trypsin, it is secreted from the pancreas in an inactive form, that is trypsinogen, that is activated by an enzyme called enterokinase enzyme. That enterokinase enzyme is also secreted from the duodenum. Now trypsin, the job of the trypsin is to convert proteins into small chains of proteins, and amylase carbohydrate maltose, starch into maltose. Then we have lipase. Lipase convert lipids into fatty acids. Then we have bile. The job of the bile is to emulsify the fat. When fat is emulsified, then it is broken down into fatty acids and glycerol by the lipase.